Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Simplified Civil and Geotechnical Engineering channel. I am Akshay Jaiswal. In this video, I am going to explain determination of residual chlorine by using orthotoluidine solution. So let's see what is orthotoluidine test. Orthotoluidine test uses comparator box called as chloroscope. Chloroscope is useful in comparing the color developed in water sample with orthotoluidine reagent. This method is suitable to determine concentration of chlorine in water. Orthotoluidine gives yellow color in presence of chlorine, which is compared with standard color column of chloroscope. The amount of chlorine is consumed in the oxidation of organic as well as inorganic impurities present in water, which is known as chlorine demand. After chlorine demand is fulfilled, the chlorine will appear as free available residual chlorine. Apparatus required: beaker, test tube, chloroscope, which is also known as comparator box, and last one, orthotoluidine solution. Now we will discuss experimental procedure to determine residual chlorine by using chloroscope. This is chloroscope. It has two columns. First one standard color column and second one column is given for placing sample water and comparing it with first colored column. First column have various colors and range of residual chlorine is given in front of each color so that we can identify the amount of residual chlorine present in water sample by comparing it with the given standard color column. Values of residual chlorine in milligram per liter are given in front of standard color column. The color developed in water sample is matched with standard color column. It will indicate amount of the residual chlorine present in the given water sample. Residual chlorine is expressed in milligram per liter. First, we will take water sample in this test tube, and now we will add 5 ml of orthotoluidine solution in this test tube. Now yellow color is developed in this water sample, which indicates presence of free chlorine. After addition of 5 ml of orthotoluidine solution, we will place this test tube in this chloroscope. Now we will compare color developed in this water sample with standard color column, and we will observe it from front side against natural light. Here, color developed in this water sample is matching with first color of this chloroscope, and value given in front of first color is 0.1 milligram per liter. Hence, we can say that 0.1 milligram per liter residual chlorine is present in this water sample. Observation: as per Indian standard, residual chlorine for drinking water is 0.2 milligram per liter to 0.5 milligram per liter. As given water sample has 0.1 milligram per liter residual chlorine, which is less than the permissible limit, so it do not require treatment to reduce the residual chlorine. Hope you liked the information given in this video. If you are watching my channel for first time, then click on subscribe and share with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.